Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Wednesday, November 1st, also known as Fed Day today. We'll jump right into it. We'll touch on that in 1 second here with the economic news. We got quite a bit. We'll start with the ADP employment numbers from October. So in September, we had 110,000 new jobs. Remember, September was kind of skewed with the hurricanes or new jobs created. And in October, it jumped up to 235,000. So a nice overall number for ADP, which kind of gives us the look towards this week, Friday's job numbers, which are kind of expected right around 300,000 new jobs created. So again, it'll be interesting to see if what number we get coming Friday here. Market manufacturing PMI. We had anything above 50 is considered growth in this on these index. We had a 54.5 for the month of September, and an increase slightly to 54.6. However, on the ISM manufacturing index, we had a 60.8, and forecast was to dip a little bit to 59.5, and then dip down to 58.7. So obviously these indexes are going two different directions here. Last month I did the same thing on the ISM, but market keeps going up. We've been seeing manufacturing in Chicago and New York and pretty much everywhere else going up. So I'm not sure what's going on with the ISM manufacturing number here. Last but not least, we got the construction spending. We had a 0.1% growth in August, and September is supposed to be nil, and it did go up 0.3%. So good numbers there as well, showing that roads, everything else is kind of growing upwards. We're getting the infrastructure built in there. Let's jump over. Stock market is currently up. It's taken off quite a bit. We got earnings reports coming out. FOMC is giving their announcement by 11:15 Pacific Standard Time this morning, so be prepared for a watch on that. They're going to be listening for. We're not expecting any rate hikes at this point. The next rate hike is expected at next meeting in December here. Now, what they're going to be looking for is any clues to any possibly on any change of their statements, especially on the Great Unwind statement. If there's any changes to that, and anything else that might come out that might surprise them, if there's any surprise, of course, expect some surprises in the markets, some knee-jerk reactions until they get it figured out. So just be a little cautious today heading into it. Some good news came out of China. They had some higher than expected manufacturing, so it shows that they're still growing and expanding over there as well, which is good news for China. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the bond market. We started the morning off much lower. We started off down here below the 200-day moving average. Since then, we pulled up, and now we're breaking even where we left off yesterday, which was about 9 basis points. We've gone up so far this morning, and basically so that makes us at zero from where we left off yesterday. So no change currently in the pricing from where we left off yesterday. Hopefully let's keep above this 200-day moving average, so we don't have this free fall like we saw previously. We have had that tendency where we came up, touched it, and then pulled back. And again, we don't want that. We want to hopefully keep this momentum going upwards to get better rates here. On the other hand, we got the Treasuries. We started off up at one point. We were up at like 238. Now we're down to about 237 so far this morning. Again, we've tested that resistance level, as you can see here, and pulled back again on the Treasuries. And again, if we can keep this current resistance right now, keep us at bay and below that, that could help out interest rates as well. So that pretty much wraps it up for the day. Just be careful as we do get the FOMC. If you guys want to get updates throughout the day, just come over to Twitter. You'll find me at Mike Bjork on Twitter, and I'll be posting updates, including stuff, little bits and pieces about the FOMC announcement later today. All right, folks, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and look forward to see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.